We all know it's smart to reduce the amount of energy we use in our homes, including hot water and natural gas. You may not realize it, but heating your water is typically the second largest use of natural gas in your home. So when you decrease your hot water use, you also use less natural gas, equaling savings on your monthly utility bills. That's why Minnesota Energy Resources is offering its customers a free water conservation kit. The kit includes pipe insulation to help reduce heat loss as water travels throughout your home, water-saving shower heads, and faucet aerators for your bathroom and kitchen. You'll also receive a water temperature card to check if your water heater is set at an efficient temperature. Once installed, you can start saving right away. Reducing the amount of hot water and natural gas you use every day is simple and effortless. And best of all, the kit is delivered to your home for free. Check out cashrebatesnow.com to learn how to get your free water conservation kit.